All right, everybody, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. Today we find out what the new wage is for IBEW 48, Portland, Oregon. There it is, $3 on the check, 35 cents to Edison, 0 to District 9, 50 cents to Flex, 0 pennies to Health and Wellness. There it is. If you go over here, we have what we're at now, $60.50 plus $3 equals $63.50 for 2025, January 1st. If you work a whole year, that's $132,080 for a total raise of $6,240 gross per year. And yep, that's it. Thanks, guys, and I will see you in the next one. I'm excited. We almost got the highest one. It's usually the second highest, which is what it is this time. So anyways, I'm excited, and I can't wait to get some more money when I go back to work next year. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Love you guys. Peace.